What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Lightsource Engraving. Today I have something totally different. I am taking one of our mini bikes around the little course I have set up here on the property, and what I'm wanting to do is just show what these little mini bikes powered by Harbor Freight engines can do. And I'm just wondering, is there an electric bike out there, one of the moped styles or the retro motorcycle looking e-bikes that can do what these Harbor Freight powered mini bikes can do? So why don't we just jump right in to the mini bike? I'll explain a little bit about it, and then you can watch some footage of me riding it around, and that's it. Quick little video, no engraving today, but I thought I'd just give you a change of pace and try to show you some of the other stuff that I like to do around here. So I hope you enjoy it. And as always, thank you for watching and have a great day. All right, folks, what we have here in this beast is a Baja Warrior with a Predator engine swap, upgraded rear tire, aftermarket CVT, and a front rim that's actually a back rim converted to have a front brake. And here you can see it's the Predator Max 224, the big Sunlu tire, and the CVT. And you'll notice in the hub there is a drum for a brake in the front wheel. And this is the start of the course. Here we go. We go down there and go to the woods. Woods come out right there. Go up in the woods here. There comes out right here, and we have a wonderful hill to climb. And we get a nice view from above. Now we can get some speed on this straightaway. Along the sheep fence, by the fish pond, and we're back to our main course. Head through the woods. Trails are still pretty rough, but we're working on it.
for a beautiful view.